Amazon Prime Day is one of the most top anticipated sales of the entire year, and I'm bringing you some early sneak peek lead up deals you are not going to want to miss. Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 20 amazing early Prime Day deals. Now, I have spent hours scrolling and researching all of the top deals, finding ones that were maybe marked up, that are not a good deal, all of the things. I am bringing you 20 amazing deals. Some of these are bestsellers on Amazon. Some are ones you don't see so much that you might be looking and waiting to purchase. So let's jump in. When I had my son 2 years ago, I got so worried. I had all these amazing photos on my phone, but I was like, what if something happens to it? I want to have these photos tangible that we can look at someday. Insert this phone photo printer, one of my favorite Amazon finds. You just hook it up to your phone, works on Apple or Android, and you can print your photos from your phone right there in an instant and put out into a photo album. And we are seeing that 35% off, and it does come with a pack of the papers as well. The viral electric salt and pepper shaker, 29% off today through Prime Day, and you're going to make sure to hit that subscribe button because every single day leading up to Prime Day, I'm bringing out a new video sharing the top deals you're not going to want to miss. And then obviously on Amazon Prime Day deal, you're going to get an insane top 50 deals each day. Also recommend think gift ideas. It is not too early and you can snag some amazing deals. So salt and pepper shaker under $24, and I love the way that these look, so I would keep them out like right beside your stove top. And personally, I love the way these salt and pepper shakers look, that I like to keep them out on my counter, whereas before I just wanted everything away because it looked cluttered. Top seller, our favorite Palazzo pants. Guys, the quality on these are so good. We're seeing them around 29% off. Depending on the color, the price does fluctuate a little bit, but they are the most stunning flowy pants. You can wear these on vacation. You can style them as a workwear option. You could throw on a basic t-shirt with it and wear it like that as well. I've shared so many ways to style these bestsellers over on Instagram. You will not want to miss these. Every single time I share these Satin Pajama Set, they're always a hit. We are seeing them early Prime Day deal for 25% off. I've shared them in a few color options, but they are just the cutest, like look for less pajamas. They have functional buttons, elastic waistband, and this really cute little ruffle detail around the edges as well. It just adds such a fun little spin to the look, and it comes in a wide range of color and print options. Time to pick up a new sports bra. You can snag the pack of 3 strappy sports bras, which are another top seller. You can get the pack of 3 of them for $36. And if you click on the link down below in the description box, which by the way, all of the items in today's video will be listed down below in the description box, correlating with the number you see here on the screen, as well as pinned as the top comment down below in the comment section. And if you're looking for a specific color when it comes to sports bras, they do come in a wide range of options. I rarely see juicers go on deal. The best-selling one is currently 10% off. So if you've been into the celery juice trend or you like to juice in general, drop a comment down below. What is your favorite thing to juice? I've always been so impressed by it, but never really knew how to go about it. Maybe I need to snag this one, but we are seeing it 10% off. So we're seeing the best-selling one on Amazon, the 2-in-1 walking treadmill, 16% off. So you can throw this underneath your desk at work. You can put this in the kitchen when you're cooking to get extra steps in. I love going for walks. It's one of my favorite things. So I told my husband this Prime Day, we are gonna snag on it because I'm always going out in the rain, in the snow, all the things, and he tells me I'm crazy. So I'm like, time to get a treadmill. But I love the fact that these are compact. Like, gone are the days where you need the big clunky treadmills. You can just put this behind a door, stick it underneath your desk or your bed, and it's out of the way. Love this outdoor rocking set. It is 13% off and so stunning. I love the colors on this. If you've been waiting for some outdoor patio furniture like we have, here would be a great option. Or if you're on your front porch, you have space on there to put some rocking chairs, this would be just beautiful. And speaking of working at the office, this little seat cushion makes all of the difference. I actually shared this about 2 years ago. If you struggle with back pain when you're sitting in a chair all day long, this is a cushion you can sit on your chair, the seat of your chair, and it helps give tailbone relief. The way that the pillow is cushioned, it helps relieve pressure and helps with that tailbone or back pain that you might get. New discovery over the last month have been these seamless bras. They remind me so much of bras that I have purchased that are well over $50. These are incredible. They're a seamless fit, and they do have the 4 snaps on the back, so the support on this is better than pretty much any bra that I've tried. I now have it in 2 color options. It does have adjustable straps, and the V-neck lends itself to be perfect to wear with so many different dresses and tops. This particular bra is going to be 15% off, and just keep in mind, all of these deals are subject to change. Amazon fluctuates prices. It could be one price in the morning, a different in the evening, kind of depending on the popularity and things like that. But this is the current deal prices that I have, but they are subject to change. Another really popular item around this time, you can get an early sneak peek, early deal on the Dyson at 26% off. Love that it has a detangling head filter, because if you know, you know. I have a lot of hair, and our vacuums have just been notoriously known to get hair like caught up in them, and then we have to cut it out. It just is what it is. But it also does have a washable filter too, which just helps the longevity of the vacuum and things like that. Also, it's very lightweight. Gone are the days that you need to get really heavy vacuums to be able to do the trick. The neck fans have literally taken Amazon by storm this summer. You can now get it 49% off. Great to wear if you're out and about with your kids' sports, if you're going to a sports event, you're going to a concert where there's gonna be lots of people, or just in general to just have around the house when you're going on vacation, to the beach. It's honestly amazing how well these work. You just stick them around your neck, and it really does a good job at cooling you off. If you are in need of a new pair of joggers, this option I've shared before, 17% off, a great look for less for a very popular brand. So you can grab it, very similar style for a fraction of the price. And this fabric, you guys, cannot beat. It is buttery soft. I love the elastic waistband. It tapers really nicely, has pockets that don't add any bulk to it. They're very, very flattering and come in a wide range of colors. One of my most worn athletic shorts are going to be 24% off. Another amazing look for less. These do feature the zip pockets, really nice fabric. They wash so well over time, and the waistband sits nicely on your hip area. I love this color. I've shared this in a few color options, but definitely check out the listing below because they probably come in every single color. And I also like that these have the built-in underwear as well. The way that this is designed is really nice. I've tried them that they felt really bulky before, and this just kind of lays seamlessly so you can wear it casually or for working out. I about could not contain my excitement when I saw 56% off of our favorite Amazon denim jeans. These, I really hope they don't sell out. I know every single Prime Day, Levi Jeans are one of the top selling items. You can get an early snag on them with this lead up deal, 56% off this style. I will have linked below the exact pair that I have that has been a bestseller. I've had these for like 2 years now, and the quality is so good on them. I just recommend sizing up one. I feel like these run a little bit on the smaller side, but they hold their shape really well, wash well over time. There is a reason why these are an Amazon bestseller. Not only that, we're also seeing 35% off the Levi denim shorts, which these are an amazing Abercrombie A Goldie denim short look for less, which those are like $80 to $120. You can snag this pair on Amazon. I love this color wash. I feel like it goes with everything. It's more of like a medium wash, but they do have a bunch of different wash options as well that you can check out. It does have the button fly here. They're really comfortable. They hold their shape. Love the little bit of the distressing. They do feature a high-waisted fit, but they do have other options if you're not looking for the distressed hemline as well. I feel like these comfy pants are literally cheating. You can style these for work. I've shared them with a really pretty black and white sweater option that you could style for business casual. Then I have also styled the cream pair with just like a basic t-shirt, a cute little bag, and it literally feels like you're cheating because it feels like you're wearing your pajamas out. They do feature pockets, a nice stretchy waistband. They do run true to size and come in a wide range of color options. And you're seeing them 20% off, which brings them under $24. 50% off the viral veggie chopper. This saves so much time in the summer with fresh salads, and also in the winter if you're making a cozy soup and you just have all these yummy vegetables, you can chop them up in seconds. It's also great if you tend to get sore hands, if you have arthritis or something like that. This is great because you don't have to individually chop up every single veggie. And we are seeing that 50% off. Also an amazing gift idea. I have gifted this many a times. Also saw 13% 15% off of my tagging gun. Now I love to use this for making like V-neck tops, a little bit for tucking in V-neck tops. So you basically just take it, you press the tag down, and it'll help keep everything closed and together. I also love to use it if I have a dress and a bra that I want to keep together. I'll just tag the bra in the dress or the top. If I have a top that falls off the side or something like that, I'll tag it. I mean, this is a fashion must-have, 13% off. One of my all-time favorite Amazon dresses, this cocktail event dress, is so beautiful. It reminds me of something I should get at Nordstrom for like $200 or $300, but it's currently 14% off. I rarely see this run on deal. Wear my true to size small, and just everything about the neckline, the fit, the feel, everything about it is 10 out of 10. So it comes in about 7-8 different color options. I've shared it in the black and the navy before for different weddings and events I've been to. Right, everyone, that is gonna go ahead and conclude today's top early Prime Day deals. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because every single morning there's gonna be a brand new Amazon early Prime Day deals you're not gonna wanna miss here on YouTube. So hope to see you all next time. Bye.